What if I told you you could start a farming business from your rooftop, your balcony, or even your garage with just 5,000 rupees and make 1 lakh a month within 6 months? That's exactly what hundreds of hydroponic farmers across India are already doing. Today I'm going to show you the top 5 most profitable crops you can grow with hydroponics right now. No soil, no big land, no experience needed. Stay till the end, because crop number 3 is the one most people completely ignore, and it has the highest profit margin of all 5. Let's start with the king of hydroponic farming in India, lettuce. It grows in just 30 to 35 days, needs almost zero space, and you can harvest it again and again continuously. One basic NFT system with 100 plants can earn you 8,000 to 12,000 rupees per month. And the setup cost? Under 15,000 rupees. Simple, fast, profitable. Next up, spinach and kale. These are in massive demand at premium hotels, restaurants, and organic stores right now. They grow in just 25 to 40 days, and because they're sold as premium organic produce, you can charge 2 to 3 times the regular market price. Expect 10,000 to 15,000 rupees per month from a mid-size setup. Hotels will come to you. Now this is the one nobody talks about, and it's the biggest mistake beginners make by ignoring it. Microgreens. Sunflower shoots, radish, pea shoots, they're ready in just 7 to 14 days. You can run 4 to 5 batches every single month from one tray setup. The profit margin is up to 300%. I have personally seen farmers earning 25,000 to 40,000 rupees a month from a single room. One room, 1 lakh a year. Think about that. Basil, mint, coriander, herbs are the hidden goldmine of urban farming. They are lightweight, fast-growing, and restaurants and cloud kitchens pay premium rates for fresh herbs delivered daily. A simple DWC system can produce 12,000 to 18,000 rupees worth of herbs every month. And the best part? Once you build relationships with 2 or 3 restaurants, it becomes completely passive income. And finally, the premium crop, strawberries. Yes, you can grow strawberries hydroponically in India. They sell at 400 to 600 rupees per kilogram in urban markets. They take around 3 to 4 months to produce, but the profit per square foot is unmatched by any other crop on this list. If you are ready to invest and wait, this one will change your life. Now here's the truth. Choosing the right crop is only half the battle. You also need to know the right system, the right nutrients, the right setup for Indian conditions. That is exactly why we built India's first modern hydroponic certificate course, designed specifically for Indian farmers, Indian climates, and Indian budgets. You will learn everything step by step, from setting up your first system to selling your first harvest. Over 500 students have already joined and started their own setups. If you are serious about building a real income from hydroponic farming, this course is your fastest path forward. The link to join is right there in the description. Enroll today and get started this week. Which of these 5 crops would you start with? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. Like this video, subscribe to Maximum Cultivator, and I'll see you in the next one.